work in a bird sanctuary unintentionally, 'cause they happen to live in my bridge. Some days they bother me. Someone that used to work here had a pellet gun. He would shoot them dead. The town of Mystic, Connecticut used to leave them food so they wouldn't lay eggs. I'm against all of that shit. Some days their chirping gets really annoying, but today is too windy, so I'll enjoy it. Some days they come and sing with me, and that's cool too. Why do people want to sterilize and kill them? Just because they're trying to live. Is this a metaphor for something bigger? Is this a metaphor for something bigger? If you read into it, it totally could be, even though I didn't mean it to be. Is this a metaphor for something bigger? Is this a metaphor for something bigger? Is this a metaphor for something bigger? Is this, people never use metaphor the right way.